Hi, I'm Barbara Friedberg, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into M1 Finance versus Betterment, two investment platforms that promise to manage your money for you. Now, this review is kind of easy because although both fall under the category of robo-advisors, which are digital investment advisors, they're actually quite different. Today, we'll talk about their features, compare them side by side, drill down into who M1 Finance is best for, who Betterment is best for, take a quick spin around each of their platforms, and then wrap it up with your choice. So let's get started. M1 Finance is a newer investment app. And it is a combination of a do-it-yourself investment platform and a pre-made robo-advisor type of service. And the reason we group it with robo-advisors is because they have pre-made investment portfolios and they will be rebalanced back to your original preferences. Unlike M1, Betterment is a pure robo-advisor. It is a goal-based investment advisor where you answer a few quick questions about your financial situation, your goals, and your risk preference, and they present you with a pre-made investment portfolio. So, starting right out the gate, if you want the opportunity to invest in individual stocks and funds on your own, as well as with pre-made investment portfolios, well, then you're going to choose M1 Finance, and you can turn the video off now. But if you want to see the similarities and differences between Betterment, which is a pure robo-advisor, and M1, stick around. Minimums are quite similar. Betterment requires only $0 to get started, although for premium service, which includes unlimited access to certified financial planners, you will need to pony up $100,000. Minimum investment at M1 is $100 with $500 for retirement accounts. Now, the fees, there's quite a small difference. If you want to use just the basics on the M1 platform, there is no management fee, fee-free. So that's great if you're just getting started and you're really, really watching your pennies. On the other hand, the fees at Betterment are quite reasonable, only 0.25% annual management fee. So that's a really, really small percentage of your total dollars. So if you invested $100, 1% would be $1, and 0.2% is only 25 cents. So you can see the fees aren't much to worry about. Let's get into the top features. And this is where both platforms really do break down quite a bit. Betterment is a goal-based investment platform. They do offer tax loss harvesting, which is a feature for taxable investment accounts to help you reduce your taxes and ultimately maybe boost your returns a bit. Every investor with Betterment has the opportunity to text with financial advisors. And personally, I think this is a huge bonus. Now, if you're in the premium platform, you have unlimited access to certified financial planners. But don't worry, if you just take the all digital platform, you can buy as needed a la carte financial planning packages. They're quite reasonable. You meet with a financial advisor and they help you with specific money goals like retirement, planning for college, those sorts of things, or even just a portfolio review. Top features on M1 Finance are that they have thousands of investments from which to choose. You can choose from most stocks, listed on most of the major stock exchanges, as well as thousands of exchange-traded funds, including socially responsible. So let's dig in a little and take a quick glance at the M1 platform. Here is my personal account. I do have an account with M1 Finance. And if you want one of the pre-made platforms, you can choose from these general categories. But within each of these, there are many choices from which you can choose. Just a quick view on the income earners. You can go with a domestic dividend portfolio, a global dividend, on and on. Now, if you're into choosing stocks on your own, there's a really cool filter here, and you can screen them yourself. So M1 Finance offers two different options for your investing. One is investing in stocks and ETFs on your own, and also their pre-made portfolios. Betterment is quite a different type of investment manager. They are a pure hybrid robo-advisor, which offers digital investment management as well as access to human financial advisors. You start your trip down Betterment's platform by taking a quick quiz, choosing the goals that you want to invest for, be they retirement, a vacation, buy a house, you name it. On down, Betterment offers debit card. They offer both a high yield savings account as well as a checking account. So, quick look there. Here are your investment choices: general saving, big purchase, retirement, or just looking for advice. So let's get back to the features comparison. Fortunately, both of the platforms offer a wide variety of accounts. In fact, they offer taxable brokerage accounts, all types of Roth IRAs, traditional rollover, and they each offer the SEP Business IRA. They both offer trust accounts, whereas Betterment offers a checking account and M1 Finance only offers a one money account, which is used for debit card purchases and also offers a higher yield, but does not offer checking features. As we've already said, the investments are quite expansive at M1 with individual stocks and ETFs, whereas Betterment only has the low-cost, commission-free exchange-traded funds. Both invest in fractional shares, which is appropriate for small investors who maybe can't afford right off a diversified portfolio filled with stocks that cost hundreds of dollars per share. Betterment offers financial advisors where M1 Finance does not. Customer service at Betterment and M1 Finance are quite similar. So, who's the right customer for Betterment? Betterment is great if you are looking for a low-fee investment manager who will create a portfolio based on what you are looking for in terms of time frame, financial situation, and risk tolerance. Betterment is awesome if you want access to financial planners. Also, if you would like the opportunity for specialized portfolios like Smart Beta, socially responsible, or income portfolios. Now, M1 is appropriate if you want to invest on your own because they do allow you to choose from 6,000 stocks and ETFs, as well as invest in pre-made portfolios. Obviously, they both offer portfolio rebalancing, which means just buying and selling shares or funds to get the portfolio back in line with your preferred asset mix, which is a percentage in stocks versus bonds. If you want zero fee investment management, then M1 is your choice. If you want the chance to borrow with a margin account up to 35% of your portfolio value, then you might want to go with M1 as well. So as you can see, they both offer a lot of value for very low fees, and they're each a little different. Betterment is a pure robo-advisor. You don't pick and choose the funds for you. But don't let that worry you, because Betterment has very high-level investment advisors who have created smart, sensible portfolios for you. M1 is perfect for you if you want a combination platform that whereby you can invest on your own in stocks and funds and also have access to pre-made investment portfolios. So the choice is relatively simple, depending on what you are looking for. Thank you so much for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe. Also, give it a thumbs up. And if you click on any of the links below, some of them will be marked with an affiliate tag, which means if you sign up for either portfolio, we might get a small commission to help pay for this channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.